I'm Gail from Vein Access Technologies. Today I want to teach you how to locate your own vein, just in case that healthcare worker doesn't know where your vein is at. And this is simple. You're going to be using the pad of your dominant hand index finger. Get a bottle of 70% isopropyl alcohol because, sorry, the alcohol wipes won't work unless you have a particular brand, which I'm not going to mention here. Then either get a long, skinny water balloon and fill it with water without over distending it, or imagine one just like this, just enough water in it that it's got some shape, but not over distended. And again, we're going to be using the pad of your dominant hand index finger with 70% isopropyl alcohol, knowing that the vein feels like a long, skinny water balloon. Now, imagine the long, skinny water balloon sitting there in front of you on the table, and you place the pad of your finger on it, just like you see in the diagram here. Press and release, press and release. That's what a vein feels like, a water balloon bounce. Note that if you press too hard, you're going to feel the table on the other side of that balloon. Same in an arm. We're going to press very gently, gentle, 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 just like you would depress and release that water balloon on the table. And one more tip. Stay in constant contact with the water balloon as you press and release. It's the rebound information that we're feeling for. You're ready. Now, we want a vein that's not only visible to see. Now, let's get a human arm. Pick one with the vein that's visible. Let's make it easy on you. I want you to wet it with alcohol and leave it wet. First, you'll glide, and when you feel the rope-like structure, press and release. Should feel identical to the water balloon bounce. Then, do just a press palpation. Start at one side or the other, and press your way across in small increments, looking away if you have to, till you feel a water balloon bounce. And again, you've located the vein. Now, find an arm where the vein's not visible. Glide palpate first, because the majority of them you'll be able to feel as you glide. And if you can't feel it by gliding, then press palpate your way across, very small increments, very light pressure, feeling for a water balloon bounce. That's how simple this is. Every human being can do this past the age of 5. I suggest just try it. You have nothing to lose. You literally never know when you're going to be the patient and they're struggling to find your vein. You'll be able to locate it for them. And in the next videos, if you stay interested and in tune, I will teach you how to dilate that vein without a tourniquet. And then we'll grade that vein to make sure it's one that's going to tolerate the stick and the procedure. Thanks for joining me. I would like for you to click on like if you found this useful. And if you feel like it, make a comment. And then definitely, if all of this worked out well for you, please tell a friend.